In order to meet stringent emissions regulations, all new diesel vehicles are fitted with an exhaust filter. These are also known as Diesel Particulate Filters, or DPFs. Vehicles fitted with these filters have more efficient emissions control. During normal driving, particles in the exhaust gases are collected in the exhaust filter. When required, cleaning of the exhaust filter is automatically carried out in a process also known as regeneration. In most situations, the filter is cleaned automatically and is dependent on the engine reaching its normal operating temperature. Some driving conditions, like frequently driving short distances, frequently driving in slow-moving traffic, or even in cold weather, may not provide sufficient opportunity for the exhaust filter to self-clean. When this occurs, a warning lamp displays in the instrument panel. An amber warning lamp indicates exhaust filter cleaning is required. Driving steadily above 60 km per hour or 37 miles per hour for up to 20 minutes should perform this operation. Failure to follow this approach may result in reduced vehicle performance. A red warning lamp indicates the exhaust filter is full. Please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer as soon as possible. An increase in the fuel consumption may be noticed temporarily during exhaust filter self-cleaning. A green indicator lamp will display when the exhaust filter self-cleaning is complete.